Welcome back, office executives. So in this particular Excel video I'll be showing you how to create attendance sheet, this nicely looking formatted attendance sheet. So the beauty of this attendance sheet is that if you just give in here 0, then it will be marked as absent, and apart from the icon being showing up, that is cross as absent, the absent and the present is also being updated according to the percentage, and a data bar is being shown. Now how I did this, I'll be showing you from scratch. While we looking into the solution set, do look carefully, because if any of the step misses out, then this kind of nicely looking formatted attendance sheet won't just you just won't get this nicely looking formatted attendance sheet. So in the solution section, this tick, green tick and the cross, that is present and absent, will be over this range of cells. So I'll be going to the conditional formatting. From there I'll be using icon set, and I'll be going to the module section, and I'll be using this icon. So when the value is I'll be giving in a greater than or equal to 1, and I'll be selecting number, and when it is greater than sorry, my bad, when the value is 1, then it will be showing tick, that is present, and when the value is 0, so not percentage, it will be number. So let me just show you what I did. So this is the icon set I am using. From icon style, from here I am selecting the icon set, and this is the value. Instead of percentage I am using number, since 1 and 0 are the data which will be feeding into this range of cell. So if it is greater than equal to 0, it will be 1, and if it is greater than so here I will be giving no cell icon. So when it is less than equal to 0, only then this cross mark would appear, less than or equal to 0. So 0 would also, and instead of showing the value 1 and 0, only icon will be shown. Fine. Let me hit OK. So before proceeding, let me again show you which of the method I use. So I used the icon set, and from there I used this particular option, modules, and from the modules I set that particular feature, set that particular icon style within this range of cell. Now comes the portion of present, how to count it. So I will be using count if function, and the count if will be over this range of cell, and present means it will be counting for 1, and for percentage I will be dividing it by 6, since Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, 6 days, that's why divided by 6. Fine. So in the absent section also I will be using count if. So I will be again selecting this range of cell, and instead of going in for 1, I will be counting the zeros for the absent divided by 6. So if 0 is being shown, I will be changing it to percentage. Now comes the portion in which this 0% and 0%, this there will be some data bar. So in the present section I am going to the conditional formatting, and then from the data bars, more rules. Let me zoom in the screen. Show bars only. Now I will be showing the percentage as well. So minimum is number, and maximum is also number. Okay, so minimum number, maximum number. So maximum would be minimum percentage, minimum it will be number, and maximum will also be number, and the minimum value is 0 and the maximum value is 6. Fine. So the bar direction is from left to right, and then hit OK. Let's see how it looks. Instead of using the blue color, I'll be using the green color. Let's hit OK. So let me give in some value, 1, 17%, nicely looking coming. So let me just select all of this cell and give 1, and then control enter, 100%. So the bar which is showing, okay, so let me edit the bar. So I'll be going to the manage rule, and from there this data bar, edit rule. So instead of number I'll be again using the percentage, and maximum is also percentage, and the value is 100. Okay, fine. So let me hit OK, and then apply, and then OK. So this is how 100% will look, and if I give in here 0, So 83%. The length of the bar has reduced significantly. In the absence section also, I will be giving conditional formatting, and from their data bars, I will be selecting more rules, and I'll be using percent, since the value there which is showing it's 17%, that's why we're using percent, and the maximum is also percent. So the maximum value is 100, and instead of using, I'll be using the red as the fill color, and then hit OK. Fine. So now I'll be copying this within this range of cells. So I'll be pressing Control and copying this particular cell formatting. Again I'll be pressing Control and copying this cell formatting. Fine. So within this range of cell, maybe we can give equal to rand between, and the bottom value is 0 and the top value is 1, and then Control Enter. So this is how it would look, our bar data bars. So instead of 17%, maybe if I increase it to 1, yeah. So this is how I just build this particular. So for 17%, it is not being able to show any of the bar. It's a small bar for 17%. So this is how this particular attendance sheet can be created. So for the last section, I didn't copy the value. That's why the last cell there is any icon is any design is being missing. So this is how I created the attendance sheet. So let me know in the comment section how you felt about this video, and before ending the video, I would again like to show you what I did. So within this range of cell, what I did is that within this range of cell I used icon set, and from there more rules, and I give their value here from icon set to I just use this particular icon. From icon style, I changed the icon style to this one and given the value, and in this particular section for present and absent, I just changed it to the formula which I am using is something count if b2 to g2, and I am counting for present, I am counting 1, and from absent I am counting 0, and it would be divided by 6. Fine. And I'll be selecting this range of cell, and I'll be changing it to this. I will be clicking this particular option percentage style, so that it is being shown in percentage. So that's a nice looking this is how it would look, the percentage, I mean this is how the formatted attendance sheet would look like. That's all for this particular video session. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.